very excited today because I bought a brand new vise for my workbench, and it's a perfect size. It pivots. You can clamp pretty much anything in here. Now, the one concern I have is that the jaws are lined with some really sharp teeth. Now, if you're clamping a piece of metal, that's not much of a concern, but if you're clamping a piece of wood, especially a really nice piece of oak or other expensive hardwood, those teeth are going to damage the wood. There's no way around it unless you protect it. Now, rather than just putting in two pieces of wood, which you'll have to hold in place along with the workpiece, I decided to make a couple of saddles I can slip over the throat of the vise. I just took two squares of 3/8 inch plywood, I held them in place and I marked the width and the depth of the cut. Then I drilled a 5/8 inch diameter hole, and then cut out the slot with a jigsaw. What you end up with is this: two little pieces of plywood with a slot in the center, which sit right over the throat. You can see they sit in place, you don't have to hold them. And then when you go to tighten up the workpiece, just put it in place, crank it down. No matter how much pressure you put on this, you're gonna have those pads in place, and there's no concern about damaging the workpiece.